In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sessions breaks in Tradingview. If you've ever wanted a quick way to see where one trading day ends and the next begins, session breaks are perfect. They draw simple vertical markers on your chart so you can spot daily opens and closes. Compare performance from session to session and align your analysis around key times like market open, lunch lull, or closing hour. Start by opening your chart and bringing up the settings. The fastest way to do this is to right-click anywhere on the chart area and select Settings. Make sure you are clicking on the chart itself, not on an indicator pane or a sidebar, so the right-click menu gives you the correct options. This opens a window with several tabs for customizing how your chart looks and behaves. In that window, head to the Events tab. This section controls optional visual markers that Tradingview can overlay on your chart. Events include things like dividends, splits, and, of course, session breaks. It's a small but powerful area because it lets you add context without cluttering the core price action. Now enable session breaks by checking the box next to it. The moment you turn this on, Tradingview will draw a vertical line at each session boundary using your chart's time zone and the instrument's exchange schedule. For stocks, that typically means one line per trading day. For forex and crypto, which run nearly 24/7, you'll still get consistent daily separators based on the selected time zone. This makes it much easier to see day-over-day changes. Gauge overnight gaps and keep your notes anchored to specific sessions. Next, customize the look so the lines suit your chart. Choose a color that contrasts with your background, lighter tones for dark themes, darker tones for light themes. If style or opacity options are available, pick a thickness or dash pattern that stands out just enough without overpowering candles or indicators. The goal is readability, not distraction. When you are happy with the preview, click OK to apply the changes. You should immediately see evenly spaced vertical lines across your chart. If they're not obvious at first glance, try zooming out to a wider time frame or scrolling back a bit. The spacing becomes clearer across multiple days. Remember, if you later change your chart theme or background, revisit the color so the lines remain visible. That's it, clean. Consistent session markers to speed up your analysis. With session breaks on, you'll find it easier to evaluate entries and exits around opens and closes. Measure intraday ranges and keep your notes aligned to each trading day.